Fati and Abiha's world, and today we're gonna make a DIY lamp. So you may have seen them in so many pages, but no way, we're gonna make it today. But we're gonna tell them in step by step so you can understand it. So let's get started.
Need for this?
Lighter and lights.
Okay, good.
And like this jar.
Uh-huh.
And this scissor.
Okay, good.
And then again.
This is a screwdriver.
This is the screwdriver.
And what are you left with? What is round?
Yay!
Very good.
Now, so Mom is gonna help me heat up the screwdriver with some lighter. Now, you may need a little furnace first, so let's get started. You can see later. So guys, now we're going to tell you how we made the hole inside it, and we're going to press lights through it. So let's get started pressing the lights.
Show it properly.
So you can get a little peeky peek. Can you see my eye? Hello. We count it then first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13 names.
Why?
Because
We need to put them?
in the leg.
Good.
I'm gonna unbox these lights and this end, like this will be outside. So the end of this light I'm gonna take where is it? So let's do it. So guys, now look, I found the other end. Now I'm gonna add it inside. Take it out. Huh? You need to like take it out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Put the whole light inside. Not going?
It's not going fast. So guys, we're gonna make these loops and start putting them inside. So let's get started. I have made this whole as a loop. Now we're gonna take the next. Let's get started. We have these wires. Now we're gonna tape it on these walls of the jar. 2 3 strands like this much, and you're gonna tape it on the wall of the lamp. Like here, these walls. Now guys, we're almost about to finish taking it. Yes. Now I'll give you the tour when it's done inside the jar. Now let's give you a tour inside of this jar. You can see that. Wow. So there we go. Look at the walls. So guys, this is the final tape we're doing, and that's when we're done. I'm so excited. Mama made the lamp.
No, you made the lamp.
Yeah.
What is this? So, Padma, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna plug in this switch and we're gonna show you how the fan looks.
Yeah.
So one now. So guys, now we're gonna show you the final part, that is to plug. Wow, look at it. That's so beautiful.
Everybody's
Guys, did you? So guys, we're done making our lamp, but now it's your turn to make a lamp. But if you have done making a lamp, please send us a picture and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We're gonna see you. See you.
You say it as well.
like and share
And subscribe.
and let surprise you.
Say like,
Like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
and share.
and share.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.